Good day mga kapadyak. So, this morning, nag-ride ko pa kadto sa Morsha. And, kisa, hindi tagid na ma-avoid nga kung mag-ride kita do katamaran, di ba? It's like, we go on our own pace. So, I would suggest that kung may makita tang medyo mas dasig sa aton, amo na siyang himuon tang or sila mo na himuon sila nga though mag-lead sa aton blang nga pacing. Like for instance, this guy was like running ahead of me very fast. So ginsunod kong pace kag sang iya friend until we reach Morsha. So it was kind of exciting. And then when makita nyo sa video, nag-form kami sang sort of a peloton, a mini peloton nga damo kami maintaining the pace. Unfortunately, since gubang ako nga speedometer, so hindi ko kabalo kung pila nga amon nga pace in the day. But it was kind of fast, very energetic. And then eventually, pagkapot ko sa Morsha, met ko tong mga friends ko. Kita na naman kami ni Willie, storyahan na kami kadali. Kami man ni Lani, kaya ang iban ko nga friends, kay Mr. Aguilar, and it was a great day. So as usual, sadya naman ang pangapi-ngapi, storya-storya about sa mga current issues sa news, sa politics, updates about sa vaccination. Kaya, syempre, si Lani, she's really a good owner of a cafe because she ensures nga tanan may storya ma-accommodate siya. And believe ko sa iya nga memory kay tanan nga mga customer siya dumduman niya gidangalan. That was really a cool talent. Amazing. Kaya muna, sadya naman istorya na namon about sa mga topics about sa life naman and all that.
The screen to be brighter, you have to click on automatic.
So as usual, topic naman ni Willie, nag-focus naman sa technology. Here, ka-explain siya sa akin sa problem dala sa mga cellphones nga at after a certain time ang mga display hindi durable kag nagadulom. Usually ang mga LCD nag-fail, and he was totally impressed with seeing a Kindle reader for the first time when he was in Dublin, Ireland. Impressed kita sa screen brightness kabisan kasigang adlaw. Makita mo gyapon ang text. So we're really hoping na improve ang mga displays ng cellphone without compromising battery power or battery consumption, all that. So muna siya mga topic.
Exist in cell phones because number one, it doesn't use the batteries a lot. Even if it uses a lot of light, it's not going to drain all the batteries. Cell phones, they would definitely drain all the batteries. So probably that's also the reason why they are not going to make it more bright than it is. Probably to cut cost or something like that.
I thought it was a different.
Or probably it's the technology itself that is better.
I was
Foldable.
Friend namon nga si Ver, solo ride lang gid siya kagina.
Naar huis. Wat? Ga je naar huis? Klein beetje.
Dutch?
Not
Oh, okay, you're talking in Dutch.
yeah, but only very small.
Very small.
Oh, okay.
I only know Opa.
Opa! Oh, no,
Oh,
it's
Opa.
not Opa. He's a young guy, huh? No, I'm Opa.
Opa.
My Apple is 17. Okay.
Apo, right? Milk, banye. Oh, halom. Kita na ito na suna.
See you
Ah,
Like that?
see that book.
Yeah.
Uy.
Hanba members.
Ah.
Nakapot na gid sila. Si Cedric, friend ko man. Good guy.
Oo, ginapa ko di.
Hanba, Hanuman and Bikers. Tatlo sila kabilog. So at this point, manugpuli na ko. But of course, before that, pictorials anay sakay courtesy of Lani.
Oo, bakali sa akon. Bakali to sa akon kay gina-upgrade ya.
Stay.
With them.
With friends.
Yes.
Perfect.
At this point, way ko kabalo nga ang GoPro gali nagdunglay na. So nakaduko gali.
Oy, puli na kuya.
Kay way ko na hugot ang mount. Sa mo na nga makita niyo subong. Nga ako nga cycling shoes.
Along ha.
That's Mr. Aguilar, one of the amazing people nga na met ko lately. We've seen each other sa Arocera, but it's the first time that we got really acquainted and we became friends. So hope to see more of him. One of my favorite roads or spots to ride, miyan ko na di kay Kalapad. Also this one, I think this is in Abuanan, not really sure. Yeah, kaga mo na siya na miyan ko nga place di kay ang mga kahoy kadalag ko. Anyway, that's it. That's my ride for the whole morning. I hope you like and subscribe and also share the video. And this is the first time na nag-voice over ko kay tutuod lang nahuya ko, medyo shy type ko. So, yep, first for me. So anyway, have a great day. Enjoy. Ride more.